Is this where they're docking their boats? Interesting spot. Got the view. Pretty. For the bird. Let me tell you something. The heat and normal. I must admit, Red Stripe Beer tastes much better than Heineken. And the sun is terribly hot here in Montego Bay. I mean, hot. Because I'm here thinking, I'm at Harmony Beach Park and I'm here thinking, where else am I going to take you guys? What else am I going to show you in Montego Bay? But the heat just have me away. I feel like right now what I want to do is just come in yard. But I'll try once more for you. See Harbour City Shopping Center? I don't want to see Harbour City Shopping Center? Yeah, let's get a closer look. There I brought you to Harbour City Shopping Center on this bridge that is always shaking, that they fixed recently with the beautiful, you call this beautiful, North Gully flowing into the sea. Is it flowing or stagnating into the sea? And the Harbour City Shopping Center that looks like it's almost finished. There it is from the side. Here trying to show you two Knutsford Express buses going around to Knutsford Express terminal, and my phone just giving me issues. There's another one in front of this one. And then this is the side behind Sagicor. And that's the section that's facing the sea. Oh, baby fast asleep. Time's so hot right now. I'm just seeing all these coconut trees with the coconuts. I'm thinking, could I drink some of that right now, you know? Yeah, could I drink some cold coconut water? Ugh, yummy. So that Knutsford Express bus looks like it's going to probably Westmoreland. Do you guys want to see a closer view of the fire station? This is where the tax office was located, but they relocated to out at Freeport earlier this year. I think they are renovating this building. Or this building is going to be renovated. I don't know if they're in charge of renovating the building. Yeah. Okay, so we're almost at the fire station and we are at the side of the revenue office, Inland Revenue Office. And I think this is South Gully emptying into the sea. Is this South Gully? I think this is South Gully. But anyways, yes, we are just before you get to the fire station, right after you pass the Inland Revenue Office. So we also passed the Montego Bay Craft Market, and this is the car park that you're seeing across the street beside the Craft Market. The street on the other side is Harbour Street, and the street that I'm standing on is Howard Cook Boulevard. Right there, that's the end of Barnett Street emptying out into Howard Cook Boulevard. The view of Pier One from this side. Let me see if I can get a closer shot. Right, so that's Pier One over there. where you have the Pier One restaurant, and I think there's a water sport office, I'm not sure. And then you have Marine Park office as well. Over that side there is where they have the Knutsford Express office. You can't really see it. I think it's behind that gray trailer. If the gray trailer wasn't there, you should be able to see the office. And that's Inland Revenue, where tax office was once located up until recently. And then right behind us we have the fire station. Standing in the shade, but anywho, take the umbrella down. That's the fire station. That was opened this year. I think it's the biggest fire station, is it? The largest fire station in the Caribbean. Yeah, right on Howard Cook Boulevard, beside the Rubis gas station. After you pass, because right beside the Rubis gas station, you have the park exits. Let me see if I can. Here is a closer look at the fire station, or very new fire station. Used to be. It's now Top Eagle on, is this Lower Barnett Street? The end of Barnett Street leading out into Howard Cook Boulevard. Where you want to step on camera? Huh? Necktie Jellyman. Necktie Jellyman? No, I never know. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not Jellyman, but I want Necktie Jellyman.
One Necktie Jellyman.
Yeah, man, I
Oh yeah, tell me if you come further.
Hey boy, careful what you do.
Please. All right. Necktie Jellyman.